Guys, so today I'm gonna play Natural Disaster Survival. Oh, let's just get started. Okay. Oh, someone just exploded, I think. Let it be. Okay. Oh, I got out again. Oh, okay. So, what do we have to do? Means in reality, I don't know right now. Oh, there was something. Oh no, I think I died. And I here nowhere. Survivors? Nothing even happened. Okay, whatever. And just let it be how it is. I want to see what's happening. Natural disasters. Oh, hide schools. Okay. The game is going to start. The first map is hide schools. Oh, run. No. I'll be near the door only because if it is earthquake, so then it could happen that like the building will fall down. What if it's a tsunami? Okay, so I'll be here only. Nothing's happening. I don't know why. Hey, hi. Hey, hi, how are you? Meteor shower. Oh no, I was right. Oh, let's just see the meteors rain. Oh, okay, so I think that I survived that. Yeah, so just see. Oh no, it's still raining. Okay, so let's just see the school. Wow, looks like there's just the door and nothing else. Just see here. Everything got destroyed. Where's my name? There I am, Ryan Grover 12345. Wow, great, great. Okay, so next map is Prison Panic. Oh, I am in the prison. Someone help me. La. Whatever. Hey, also give me the way. No, I wouldn't be going inside till I know what's happening. Or I'll take the tower. Because I think it's some kind of, that tsunami. And in tsunamis, we need a fire shelter. Oh no, it's a sandstorm. I love sandstorms. See, it just so fun. Look like you're having shower. I'll stay inside here only. Oh no. Objects would be flying. Okay, so I think I might should have been gone inside because it's safer inside. I think that sandstorm is coming even inside also. It's not stopping anywhere. And I can't even see anything. It's so blurry. Just because of that sandstorm. I think I'm having a connection problem or a mic. My mic isn't working. That's why I think my voice would be not audible. Whatever. I'm looking smart. Okay, so let's continue just. Okay, so woohoo, I survived that. Yes, so I survived that. Where's my name? Oh yeah, there it is. I'll be just waiting, not all running around like a fool. Okay, so the next map is safety second. Oh, does that mean there is no safety in here? Okay, I think. Are there no ladders in here? Just like. Oh, there's a ramp. Okay, so I can go through here. But I don't know what's even happening. Which natural disaster would be coming. So I'll be waiting here only for some time. Oh, I would have been crushed by now. Okay, so the disaster is meteor shower. So I'll be finding my shelter in here. Yes, oh no. Why can't I just go inside there? I think this place isn't safe. Okay, this place looks like a safe place. I'll be here only for some time. Surviving all of the by now I've been surviving all the natural disasters, leaving the first one. I think it was because there was no natural disaster in reality. Okay, so I also want to play. Oh no, I just thought of taking a risk and I just got crushed. Huh, never mind. I'll be watching them. Where are they? Where are you? Where are you? I can't see them. Whoa, he looks like fun. Oh, there they are. I'll be keeping some distance. Oh no. Wish could go there. I just got killed 2 times. Isn't there any type of exit, from this weird building? Oh, this time many less people survived. Let me see my name in the leaderboard. Oh, I'm not there, but I'll survive. Everyone will see. Oh, wait. Just 80 rupees? 80 rupees are too much. No, I don't need. Launch land. Okay, so next map is launch land. I'll launch myself. Ta-ta. Okay, so how to go in there? Okay, I'll just use this way. Whoa, I think I can really go up to that rocket. Yes, I'll go up to that rocket. It looks like fun. But there are just too many of them. The rocket? I don't know. Oh no, it was the rocket. It left me alone. That's defeating. Oh no. I knew it. The fire would be on this building only. Yes. Oh no. Before the fire starts, I need to be out of there. Where's the fire? Whoa, see? I told you. There would be a fire in this building only. Because the game also knows that most of the people would be going there only. But I am very sad because I still could not go into that rocket. Oh no! Oh! It just fall down. I don't think it's fire. I think it's lava. Yes, I think. Oh no! Oh, it's just like it's just like spreading and spreading, just like lava. Fire doesn't spread like this, like water. Okay, but now it's just too much. We are in a place which is nearby a sea, and how could there be a fire there? Can't we just take our buckets and just take off the fire? Okay, so I'll be keeping a distance from all these things. What if they get on fire? As I know they're already on fire. Some of the. Where's my name? Yes, I'm on the 5th place. I don't like it. As because I'm. What is this survivor list remains for? Oh, someone exploded here. I don't like when people get exploded. Is my name still there? Please tell me yes. No! Okay, so the next map is Coastal Quickstop. I think there would be a tsunami this time. So I'll be finding a higher place. Okay, so are there any type of kind of stairs here? Yeah, oh yeah, there are. Oh, I just climbed those up. Okay, so I'll be keeping my distance from that tsunami by going up here. Oh no, I think I should be going to that tower right now. But still, it's okay. I'll just survive anyways. Because I'm Superman, not. Okay, so here the stairs. Meteor shower, oh no. This is the worst decision ever. Oh no, I need to find a shelter which is a bit lower. Or if I say the basement. Where did I found the basement? Oh, this is a good place. Oh no, not. Oh no. Oh, I thought it would be a safe place under the stairs. But no! I just got exploded again. Don't you think that in reality can people get just if there's a tsunami or a earthquake, can people get exploded? No, means like just are there some kind of bombs inside these meteor showers or in these earthquakes? Because it's just ridiculous. And where's the land? I want to see those people playing. No, I don't want the balloon. I already have one of those. I'm not a fool. Whoa! Looks like there was too much destruction. Wow. Wowie wow. Holy moly. Whew. I didn't survive again. Most of the people just survived it, leaving me. I think so. I don't want that. Oh, it's again prison panic. Okay, so that's just cheating. Why should I have to be on the spines? Why is it always me? I'll be on the door only. As if it is a earthquake. I don't want to be here. Then prison panic. Yeah. What if it's a tsunami? So I'll be also keeping a distance from that. Means being with this tower also. So I can save myself. Please tell quickly which disaster is it? Which disaster is it? Flash flood, seek high and stable ground. I knew it. Okay, so I'll be going up there as it's a proper place and I'll be watching all of my friends getting killed or we can say exploded. Okay, so I just get so frustrated when this gets just like, when it gets so much hang. Okay, so where's the entry? Oh, here's it. Whoa! Oh, why? I have to be always here. No, I have to do something fast. Oh no! I might have just survived. I was just a fool. I should have been inside that glass box or whatever we say that. I'm just a fool. Okay guys, so for now I'll be stopping here. Please watch my next video on Roblox. I'll be continuing with this video only. for that much time. Bye.